Alright, so here we need to convert 11,244 base 5 into base 10 to see what it truly is. Okay, so let's start by separating out these numbers. We got 1, 1, 2, 4, 4. And I'm just going to kind of set up a little bit of a table here. We know this is that 5 to the 0 spot, which is actually just equal to 1. This is 5 to the first, which is 5. This is 5 squared, which is 25. This is 5 to the third, so that's actually equal to 125. 5 to the fourth, it's getting a little bigger than I'm comfortable with. So if we're going to do 5 to these powers, we can do 5 power 3, it'll tell us a 125. We can do 5 power 4, and it'll tell us a 625. Now you can also just do repeated multiplications, okay? So like 5 squared is 5 times 5, and we got our 25. Let's multiply it by another 5, and we'll get our 125. And again, and we'll get the 625. Okay, so we can do that as well. Okay, so this is telling us what we're going to be multiplying things by. So we're going to take the 1 and multiply it by the 625. And this 1 multiplied by the 125. And this 2 multiplied by the 25. Okay, so let's set that up here. We've got 1 times 625 plus 1 times 125 plus 2 times 25 plus 4 times 5 plus 4 times 1. Okay, so we can work it all out individually, or you can run it all through the calculator all in one step. I know 1 times 625 is 625. 1 times 125 is 125. 2 times 50, sorry, 2 times 25 is 50. 4 times 5 is 20, and 4. So 625 plus 125 plus 50 plus 20 plus 4 should give you 824. So 11244 base 5 is actually equal to 824.